Buenas tardes, profesor. Espero que tenga un bonito día. A continuación me voy a presentar, pero antes de quisiera comentarle que no soy buena hablando inglés, por lo tanto no voy a tener una pronunciación adecuada. Bueno, about, about me. Hello, teacher. How are you? My name is Amparo Nastacuas. I am from Samaniego, Nariño. I am 4 years old. I am virtual child pedagogy undergrad student at the Secar University. My phone number is 310634597. My mail is dajonita12delgado@gmail.com. I am mother to the children. I am the grandmother of beautiful child. I am primary school teacher. My favorite is color blue. A continuación vamos a hacer unas preguntitas por lo de la presentación. What's your name? My name is Amparo. B. What's your last name? My last name was. C. What are you from? I am from in Samaniego. D. What's your phone number? My phone number is 310634597. Where do you live? I am live in Samaniego. Which university do you student? She is the Secar University. Examples: personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns verb to be. I am an English student. 1. I am an English student. 2. Are you an English teacher? Yes, I am. Were an English student? They are no English student. Personal pronouns 3 personal singular. 1. Is Carlos an English teacher? Yes, he is. She is primary school teacher. It is no to the English class. Muchas gracias, profesor. Aquí me presenté y puse en práctica las oraciones afirmativas, interrogativas, respuestas cortas, oraciones negativas, algunos personal pronouns de que hemos visto en nuestras clases virtuales. Muchas gracias. Chao.